What's going on, guys? Coming through here, and I'm cutting all my rootstocks. They've been sitting out here since I planted them, really, but I chopped everything around October, throughout October, so they've been sitting here for a solid 3-4 months, and they're starting to break down. I've been loosening them, a few of them, just to feel how loose they are, and I'll come through and wiggle with my hand, and they're moving pretty easily right now, which means the roots are all breaking down. And so I'm gonna come through and chop it at the base, maybe break down the sticks a little bit, and then throw them in the compost. And then I'm gonna be coming through with a shovel and just chopping the main root balls out, because those will take a really long time to break down. So yep, we're gonna get on to chopping here, and yeah, I'm gonna get to it. So a lot of these are just pulling out of the ground. I don't even need to chop it with a shovel or loosen it up or anything. Just come through here, try not to pack down the dirt too much, and just kind of loosen it up a little bit. Big old rootstock. And I'm gonna kick all this dirt off and then keep going. So I got some of my rootstocks here, some of the older ones I chopped, and then I didn't need to dig any of them out. They all slid right on out with their rootstocks. Got some nice ones, nice and thick. Some of them got big old tap roots coming down that didn't break down yet, so it's nice seeing those gnarly roots. Look at this one, the top of the roots right there, and then this gnarly rootstock keeps coming down and then goes to the tap root right there. So as you can see, it kind of hit the bottom of the container, so you don't want that tap root getting blocked like that. As you can see, that's how it started in the veg container in the beginning. The taproot got blocked, so even though I thought I transplanted on time, I did not, I guess. But as you can see, this one, the taproot kept going. This taproot did not get blocked. Might be a little easier to see like this. So as you can see, I'm holding on to the big taproot at the bottom and the big root stock up top, so it's important not to block those big tap roots. But yeah, I'm gonna get these chopped up and put them in the compost pile.